Hey guys, so I'm changing out the factory wheels on my Camaro and decided why not change the oil while I'm in it. So I'll show you guys a quick oil change video on any 2010 to 2015 Camaro. This is a SS, so should be about the same for a V6, but we're gonna get started. All right, so now we're under the car. Here is your oil drain plug, and right behind that, oil filter. Gonna need something to catch the oil, of course. I always put something extra down to catch it. These are my trunk mats. Don't really like them in the trunk, they get in the way. So this is what they get used for. This plug is a 15 millimeter. It's somewhere on here. There you go. So there we go. Loosen that up. Stay out of the way. Be prepared to shoot out. Oh yeah, it was definitely time. All right, so we are just about done there. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this filter. Now, you can take this out by hand, but we all know the right tools make everything go a little bit easier. So get these from any local auto parts store. Grip on it. Once you get it going, you can do it by hand. And more oil. And guys, remember to do this when the car is cooled off, because this oil can get hot. And so, grab our drain bolt, put it back in. Tighten it back up. You don't want it insanely tight, because you will have to change this again, but tight enough to where you don't leak. All right, so we're gonna take our new oil filter. This is the standard number on the Camaro SS. It's a S160. So that's pretty much on every filter. So we're gonna take a little bit of this old oil and just go around the rim. And just do that. See the hole right there. Same deal with that. Tighten it back up. All right. And we are pretty much done under the car. Okay, now time for the last step, the easy step. It's where your oil goes, people. 5W30, Dexos. Insert funnel. Try to go with anything that's full synthetic and has Dexos. Just because when I first got the car, I let GM do the oil changes, and that's what they always use. So that's what I use. Works pretty good for me. I've been going with the STP for a while now. It's pretty good, pretty decent. Now, this car does take an insane amount of oil, so you're gonna need 2 of these. I believe it's either 8, 8.5, or 9 quarts. I'll give you exact once I get done. No need for you guys to watch all this. I'll be back. All right, so last step, reset your oil. So all you do is hit menu, change until you get to oil life. Hold that. Do that. Hit it again. Good to go. Oh, and the count was 8 quarts. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys tune into the next video. I'm out.